Still a little bit dirty from first test run. Got the 400EX Harkabusic header. Got some carbon fiber shrouds. Wicked metal pegs. 400EX Tusk heel guards. Got an Axis rear shock. The Goki kit. It's a custom box. I welded up, all stainless. Uses all stock Honda parts instead of the Goki kit. So it has a solenoid out of, it's like the same thing that's in a 400EX or, you know, one of the 300EXs, 250X, electric start, same solenoids. Smaller battery. Got the chain guide on it. Durablue axle. Fucking Trekkers. I just had to make a bracket. Bring the tail light out because of the extended swing arm. When she was going down, the fucking tail light was hitting the caliper. So I just brought it out 2 inches and clear as now. Got a brand new, had to buy a fucking new brake light. So that's brand new. There's an uni box. Custom rotor. 350X ATC. It also has Durablue hubs. Super trap. Paint starting to shit up on it though. Probably use a different coating. I polish up the master. New reservoir. Got a different clevis. I'm gonna be swapping the front master out. This one's fucked up. Whole nice inverted front end setup. Caliper paint took a little beating, but that'll buff right out. See, pop the seat off real quick. It's got that fucking Hostel quick latch. Here's the electrical setup. Nice battery box. Made a little strap just to hold it down. Came out pretty fucking clean. But she's got the 400GX intake tube, 400GX carb, aluminum air box. slitted with outerwear. Give her some more air. Yeah, there she is. You know, pretty fucking slick.